morning student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9 algebraic expression and identities, exercise 9.4, question number 1. In question number 1 is given that a minus b is equal to 5 and a square plus b square is equal to 37. We need to find the value of a into b. Okay, so what is given in this question number 1? A minus b is equal to a minus b is equal to 5. This is given here. A minus b is equal to 5 is given, and a square plus b square is 37. A square plus b square, this is given 37, and also given here a into b. You need to find here the value of a into b. What is the value of a into b? If a plus b, what is the value of ab? Here this is given a minus b is given 5 and a square plus b square is also given 37. This is clear. So you can see we square up these points. Okay, so this is given here, and given here we take these points a minus b is equal to 5. Okay, in this case, and we know that the second identity, what is the second identity? Second identity is that a square a minus b, whole square of a minus b is equal to what? Whole square of a minus b is given here. Whole square of a minus b is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so here you can say a minus b is already given here 5, a square plus b square is equal to already given here 37. This is clear. Now we need to find a into b. Clear? So first we squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay, of these equations, a minus b is equal to 5. So we obtain here. We can write here. This is a question. So solution we can write here. Solution for question number 1. Okay. So first we write here given. What is given here? Given is equal here a minus b is equal to 5. First is given here. So first squaring both sides. Squaring we write here. Squaring both sides. Both side we get, after squaring both sides, what we get? So we can write here whole square of a minus b. Whole square of a minus b is equal to square of 5. Clear? So this is second identity invariable. So second identity you can express this is equal to this, you can express it, and this is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to here in the, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Square of 5 is equal to what? Square of 5 is equal to 25. So you can write here this becomes 25. Now also in variable this part a square plus b square. A square plus b square, this is given here 37. Okay, a square plus b square is given here, this is 37. So you can write here 37 minus 2ab is equal to 25. This is clear. Now, so when you transfer this 37 to right hand side, then we get what? We get it's become minus. Okay, now, so in left hand side we have, this implies that minus 2ab, this is equal to 25 minus 37. Okay, so you can see here, if you subtract 25 from 37, or you can say if you subtract 37 from 25, then you obtain what? Then you obtain minus 12. Okay, so here we can write minus 2ab is equal to minus 12. Also, if you divide both sides by minus 2, if you divide both sides by minus 2, then you obtain ab. Because here we divide by minus 2, this becomes minus 2 will be cancelled, and in right hand side, if you divide minus 2, then you obtain 6. If you divide minus 12 by minus 2, minus 12 by minus 2, then you obtain 6. Clear? So here you can see, we find the value of a into b, this is equal to 6. Student, you can see in this question, this is given a minus b is equal to 5, and a square plus b square is equal to also given 37. And in this question, we need to find a into b. How can we find a into b? Because this is given, so a minus b is equal to 5, so if you squaring both sides, a minus b is equal to 5, then you get whole square of a minus b is equal to square of 5. This is clear? Now, whole square of a minus b, this is the second identity. What is second? Then we express it. So according to second identity, you can write it a square plus b square minus 2ab. And now also right side you can write square of 5 is 25. Okay, but here you can see this is a square plus b square, and this is giving you 37. Clear? Here you can write 37 minus 2ab is equal to 25. Now we are transposing this 37 to right hand side, so it's become minus. And here you can see 37 is subtracting from 25. Then you get minus 12. So here you can see minus 2ab and minus 12ab. If you divide both sides by minus 2, then you get ab is equal to 6. We need to find this. Okay, so this is our required result. So student, I hope all have understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. Next part of question number 1. This is the first part of question number 1. Clear? Now we are going to discuss next part of this question, question number 1. Firstly, a revision. After this, we solve the first part of question number 1. This is clear? Now, second part of question number 1 is given that if a square plus b square is 34. What is the second part? If a square plus b square is equal to 34. A square and the b square is equal to 34, and also given a into b is equal to 15. And a into b is equal to 50. So we need to find the value of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so find the value of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, if a square plus b square is equal to 34 and a into b is equal to 15, so we need to find the value of a plus b and a minus b. So how can we find the value of a plus b and a minus b? Okay, so for this we need to remember the first identity and the second identity. What is the first identity? First identity is that whole square of a plus b. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, This is clear now. So you can write here solution of the second part of question number 1. You write a solution. Okay, this is second part of this question. So first you write here we know that. We know that. What we know that? We know that whole square of a plus b. This is equal to what? This is the first identity because here the question asks a plus b. So whole square of a plus b is equal to what? Whole square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is clear now. But we need to find a plus b. Okay, so we don't know what is the value of this a plus b. Clear? But we know a square plus b square into a into b. This is given here, so we know. Okay, and we need to find the value of a plus b in these questions. This is clear. So we can write here in this part, you know very well, a square plus b square is equal to what? A square plus b square. This is equal to given 34 and a into b is also given 15. Clear? So we can write this place a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square? This is a 34. A square plus b square is 34 plus 2 into a into b is equal to what? A into b is equal to 15. A into b is equal to 15. This is clear now. So this is 34 and 15 to the 30. Clear? And here we have whole square of a plus b. Whole square of a plus b. Again, when we add them, 34 plus 30, then it's become what? 64. So here we can write whole square of a plus b in left hand side. In right hand side we have 64. Clear? So here you can see this is a whole square of a plus b and 64 is equal to what? 64 is also whole square of 8. 64 is also whole square of 8. This is clear. So the value of a plus b is equal to what? Plus minus 8. The value of, okay, because the a 64 the whole square of 8, you can write it 64 here or a plus b. A plus b is equal to what? Under root plus minus under root 64. Okay, a plus b is equal to, we can write here plus minus 8. This is value of a plus b. Clear? This is value of a plus b. This is clear? You can see here. Now, student, in this question, the first second part, this is given that a square plus b square is equal to 34 and a into b is equal to 15. This is given. Okay. So here we need to find a plus b. So for this, we use the first identity a whole square of a plus b. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So here a square plus b square is given 34 and a into b also given 15. So this becomes 34 and 2 into ab. AB given 15. So 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 34 plus 30, this is 64. And in the left hand side we have whole square of a plus b. In the left hand side we have whole square of a plus b. So this becomes whole square of 64. Whole square of a plus b is equal to 64. Or you can write it a plus b is equal to plus minus under root 64. 64 the square of 8, so you can write plus minus 8. So we find the value of a plus b. This is equal to plus minus 8. A plus b is equal to plus minus 8. Now we are going to find a minus b. Okay. For this we use second identity. What is the second identity? Whole square of a minus b is equal to a plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square is given here 34 and minus 2ab. 2 into ab is also given here 15, and we will find and we find the value of a minus b. So let's see how to find the value of a minus b. This is clear now. Again we can write, we noted the second identity. The first part of this question we find a plus b by using the first identity. A whole square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And the second part, a minus b, we use here second identity. What is the second identity? Second identity is that whole square of a minus b. A minus b. Whole square of a minus b. You can write whole square of a minus b is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. The value of a minus b you need to find, and this is given. A square plus b square is given here. A square plus b square is given here. What is the a square plus b square? 34. So you can write here 34. Clear? Now minus 2. A into b, this is given 15. A into b is given here 15. So you can write here 2 into 15. Clear? So here 34 you write as it is minus 2 into 15. 2 into 15 becomes 30. Okay? When you subtract 30, from 34, then you get 4. Clear? And in left hand side we have whole square of a minus b. Clear? Or you can write it a minus b is equal to plus minus under root 4. You will be well, 4 is the square of 2, so you can write it a minus b. A minus b is equal to what? A minus b is equal to plus minus 2. A minus b is equal to plus minus 2. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood. In this question, this is given a square plus b square is 34 and a into b also given 15. So we need to find the value of a minus b. Okay, so for this we use here the second identity, whole square of a minus b is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so a square plus b square, this is given 34 and ab is also given 15. 2ab means 2 into ab. So ab is given 15, so 2 into 15 30. When you subtract 34 from 30, then you get 4. So in this way you find here a minus b is equal to what? A minus b is equal to plus minus 2. And now we are going to discuss third part of this question. Okay. So what is the third part of this question? And third part is given here. If x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3, so we need to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, and the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So let's see how to find and this value. Okay. Now we are going to find the third part of this question, number 1. What is the third part of this question? Let's see. This is given in third part of question number 1. If x minus 1 upon x is equal to given x minus 1 upon x is equal to given 3. Okay, this is given, and we need to find what we need to find here. We need to find here x square plus 1 upon x square. You need to find here x square plus 1 upon x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to what? Okay. So how can we solve this question? How can we solve this question? We can solve this question. So you can see that with the help of this part, because this is given x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. We need to find x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 1, and also we need to find x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. So for this first solution, you can take this part. You can write here solution of third part. You can write here given. What is given here? X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Okay. This part is given here. Okay. This part is given here. So in this question we use the second identities. What is the second identity? Second identity is that whole square of a minus b. This is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So in these questions we squaring both sides. You can write here squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. We get. Okay. So we can write it. If we squaring both sides, we obtain ax minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to square of 3. Okay. So when you apply this formula, it becomes, when you apply here second identities, then you get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into ab x into 1 upon x. This is equal to what? 9. So you can see this is cancelled. Okay. So we obtain here x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to 9. This is clear? Okay. Now again, if we transform this part minus 2 to right hand side, then it becomes plus. So we can write here whole square of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 9 plus 2. So you can also write here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 11. Okay. So first part of this question we find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 11. You can see here. This is clear? Now the second value we need to find here. So again we squaring both sides of this first part. Okay. So for second part of this question, we can use the result of first part. Okay. So here you can see we have, you can write here we have. What we have? We have here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 11. We find it. Okay. We need to find this value. So again we squaring both sides of this part of this equations. Okay. So you can write here squaring both sides. We get. Okay. Squaring both sides we get. So if you squaring both sides, so you can write here whole square of x square plus 1 upon x square. Clear? And also you can write here square of 11. This implies it what? You can write a whole square of. So this is a you can use here first identity. This is like a first identity. Whole square of a square plus b square. S square. Square of s square. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write here x power 4. Okay. Again square of 1 upon x square. So you can write it. This becomes x power 4. Now 2ab into 2 into x square into 1 upon x square. So x square can be cancelled here. Then you get here 2. This is clear. So according to this, we can write here okay. So you can write here. This becomes x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 plus 2 into a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2a square 1 upon ax square is equal to square of 11. Square of 11, you know very well. This is equal to what? Square of 11 is equal to 121. So you can write here 121. Clear? And here you can say this will be cancelled. Square into 1, s square into 1 is equal to s square. Upon s square it will be cancelled. And 2 into 1, this is equal to 2. So here you can see we obtained and x square x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 and plus 2. Because it will be cancelled, 2 1 by 2. This is equal to 121. Square of 11 is equal to 121. Now we transpose these two to right hand side. Then it's become minus. This is clear. So here we can write x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This is equal to 121 minus 2. We can write here x power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This is equal to 119. Yes, student, I hope all of you understood this part of question number 1. This is third part. In this question, this is given x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. We need to find s square plus 1 upon s square. So for this, first we squaring both sides of this part. So when squaring both sides, so you get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to square of 3 is equal to 9. So 2 minus 2 into x into 1 upon x, it will be cancelled and we get only minus 2. And we transposing minus 2 to right hand side, then we get 9 plus 3, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, so we get x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 11. Clear? Now, so in this way we find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 11. This is clear. After this, we need to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. For this, again we squaring both sides of this part. This part, x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, this is equal to 11. When you squaring both sides, then we get x square plus 1 upon x square is whole square is equal to square of 11. And here we use the first identity. What is the first identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to whole square of a plus b. This is a whole square of a plus b. So square of this x power 4 is square of 1 upon x square. This is equal to 1 upon x power 4 plus 2 into x power 4 into 1 upon x square. So x square into x square will be cancelled. And here the square of 11 is 121. So it becomes 2. And we need to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now we transposing this to right hand side. Then you subtract from 121. So you get 121 minus 2, this is equal to 190. So here you can see, you find the value of e to the power 4 plus 1 upon e to the power 4, this is equal to 190. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.